In this video, we're going to create an application for client deployment. It'll be a 7-zip application, and we're going to use Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, or MECM. Here we have that 7-zip MSI installer and the logo that goes with it. This folder is located on the Configuration Manager server. If we right-click the folder that we've created there, we can share this folder, select that share button, and then select the permissions button to give it the appropriate permissions for MECM to be able to access it. So select the 3 checkboxes there under Allow, hit Apply, and then OK. There we have the network path that we'll need later on in MECM. We are now going to open up Configuration Manager console on the Configuration Manager server. Go to the bottom left-hand corner, select Software Library, then the top left-hand corner, Application Management, then right-click Applications and Create Application. We'll browse to that network path that contains that 7-zip MSI installer package. And there it is there. We need to edit this path to change it to UNC format for the network path of the shared folder. Check the details and select Next. Here we need to add in the metadata about that 7-zip application. The installation program has a /I for install and a /Q for quiet install, where there's no user interaction. We'll select Install for System. This means it'll install for any user logged into the computer. Check the details and select Next. And close the window. We'll right-click the application we've just set up and select Properties. We'll select this checkbox here. This will allow the app to be installed inside a OSD or task sequence. OSD is short for Operating System Deployment. We'll select the logo for this application, the 7-zip logo, so the client will be easily able to see it in their software center on their client PC. We'll select the category, also editor, and add that one. We'll right click here and select Properties, and we'll change this to a more readable name. We also have the Content tab, which shows the content location and the UNC path to the 7-zip MSI installer application. CM1 is the name of the Configuration Manager server. The Programs tab has the installation and uninstall commands. The Detection Method tab has the product GUID code, which identifies the application on the client machine. We also have a User Experience tab, and a number of different parameters can be set here. The installation behavior, whether the user needs to be logged in, and the visibility to the user. It's currently hidden, so the user won't be able to see the installation. We're going to adjust some of those estimated times for installation as well. The Requirements tab allows us to select different parameters. We only want this application to install on Windows 11 machines, so we're going to select that here. We'll select the category as device, condition as operating system, real type as value, and we'll select the checkboxes that contain Windows 11. We have the Return Codes tab. We're going to leave that as default. We also have the Dependencies tab, and we're going to leave that as default. This completes the creation of the application in Macam. We can now deploy this application to client devices.